Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it.
We have here a really nice and cozy 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms house located in Christiana, Manchester, waiting on you to make it your new home. Property is in a family friendly community and consists of spacious bedrooms, front and back verandas, open space living room that leads to the kitchen with built in cupboards. House as a 1 bedroom studio apartment income earner. Yard is paved with space to do a little gardening. Property is fruited with banana, orange, and breadfruit trees, and there is also a water tank. The land area of this house is approximately 10,890 square feet, and some features include ceramic tiles, central location, easy access to amenities, family oriented, private setting, low maintenance yard, quiet area, landscaped, road paved, level lot, garden area, water tank, ceiling fans, grilled, kitchen built-ins, main level entry, fully fenced and fully walled. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 30 million or US $195,000. Now, let's take a look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts.
Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.